I'm sure you've heard the news. Upgrading your car's brakes can be a game changer. Here's why. In the world of driving, safety and performance go hand in hand. While we often obsess over engine power and slick tires, the real unsung hero is your braking system. Standard brakes? They're fine for everyday driving, but when the heat's on, like in emergency stops or spirited drives, they can fall short. Think longer stopping distances, brake fade, and quicker wear and tear. Not ideal, right? Enter performance brakes. These bad boys bring enhanced stopping power, improved heat dissipation, and increased durability. High-performance brake pads and drilled or slotted rotors work together to keep things cool and efficient, even under pressure. And let's not forget the swagger factor. Performance brakes often look as good as they perform, adding that sporty edge to your ride. So why settle for ordinary? Upgrade to performance brakes and drive with confidence, control, and style. Your car and your safety deserve it.